Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chandavar Travel Tales. This vlog is not about any travel, it will be something different. I have been getting a lot of questions like where do you service your bike, how do you service your bike. Whenever I tell them that I'll do it myself, no one actually believes me. So this time, okay, let's record and show everyone that how I do my servicing. This will be a DIY vlog of Himalayan service. So yeah, usually I'll do it at my home, but this time I have to replace 4 coils, so I'll be going to a workshop. Owner of that workshop was kind enough to allow me to use his workshop for the works. So yeah, let's go. Is the AG Auto Works? I think so. The owner. So namaskara. Good morning, sir. Fine, sir. How are you?
To start with the work, first task was to replace the engine oil. Remove the bolt on the left side of the engine to drain out the oil from the engine. Later, remove the right side oil filter cap to access and replace the oil filter. Keep in mind that every oil change needs filter replacement. Oil change interval for Himalayan is 10,000 km. This time, I will be using Motul oil replacing liquid gun by Royal Enfield. Next task was to replace air filter. Air filter needs to be replaced for every 15,000 km. To access the air filter, remove the side panel cover on left side with Allen keys and star head screwdriver. After the air filter replacement, I replaced clutch cable and accelerator cable. Accelerator cable replacement needs fuel tank to be removed to access the cable routing. By the time I started replacement of cables, shop owner Albert Uncle's son also arrived to garage and started helping me. Clutch cable can be easily replaced, but accessing throttle body under the seat for the replacement of accelerator cable is quite a difficult task due to the space constraint. When the tank was removed, I cleaned spark plug too. Next task was to replace front and rear brake pads and brake fluid. Rear brake pads can easily be replaced by removing just one pin, but front entire assembly need to be removed from shock to access the brake pads.
Finally done with the servicing. Now last work remaining is a bike wash. So there is one bike wash shop near Hennur, CW Auto Spa. I'll be going there. Like usually I wash it at home, but this time it was raining since last few days, and a thick layer of mud is already on the bike, so that needs a pressure to be removed. So I am here at CW Auto Spa.
See you soon with a big adventure travel story. Till then, keep traveling and keep supporting.